up guys? Alright, so you're welcome back to today's video. You're welcome back to my channel guys. Now in today's video I actually want to show you a great remedy, a natural remedy that would actually help you to remove wrinkles from your hands. You know, it is an anti-aging remedy. Now if you're actually so used to, you know, washing clothes or, you know, dipping your hands inside water or your house chores, basically you use your hands a whole lot, okay, and you are actually seeing that your hands are actually, you know, looking darker than the rest of your skin, or your hands are looking rough or they're looking aged, okay. Now I have a solution, and this solution is actually a natural one. Now the ingredients are not much, okay, do not worry. The ingredients is just 3 ingredients that would actually help you to pop your hands, and it will actually help you to remove wrinkles, glow your hands, and actually make your hands look super duper young. Now the very first ingredient I'm going to be using for this is going to be honey. Now because honey contains a moisturizing agent, it helps so much in leaving your skin moisturized. It's actually hard for other products to get into your skin, okay. So if you're actually having difficulties in, you know, cream working on your skin, or your hands, you know, being flawless no matter what you've used, try this particular ingredient or remedy that I'm going to be showing you, and it's actually going to help you glow your hands a whole lot, okay. So I'm gonna be using just 1 tablespoon of it, okay. You can use 2 if you want to actually store it. You can even use 3, depending on your preference, okay. So now the very next ingredient which we're going to be using for this is lemon. This is our local lemon guys. I know that some of you guys are going to be like, oh, this is not lemon, it's lime. No, our local lemon is usually green, okay. And as much since I can lay my hands on our local lemon, that is what I am actually making use of. So lemon is high in citric, and it contains a whole lot of vitamins. One of them is a vitamin C, which would actually help to nourish your skin, and it will actually help to lighten up your skin and make your skin flawless, okay. So what you're going to do is that you're going to grab your lemon, and then you cut it into 2, squeeze a reasonable amount of juice into the honey. Guys, your honey has to be organic for this particular treatment to work. Your honey has to be organic. Alright, so when you squeeze it in, you give it a little time to stir and loosen up the honey, and so that the honey and the lemon can actually marinate, you know, can actually get into each other. And then this is how it's going to be looking like after which you've actually, you know, put in, after which you've successfully mixed it up. So give it a little time to mix this up a whole lot, and you're going to enjoy it. And make sure to use organic honey guys. That's the only way this treatment is going to work. So the very next ingredient is baking soda. Now do you know that baking soda is actually used for baking? Yeah, of course it is, but it actually helps to scrub out dead skin cells on the skin, and it actually helps to remove a whole lot of wrinkles and fine lines, leaving your skin rejuvenated, leaving your skin really young, and leaving your skin really glowing. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna put a 1 full tablespoon of baking soda, okay. Now when you put baking soda into this mix, this is what is going to happen. Now when it happens like this guys, know that this particular treatment has actually worked for you a whole lot, and I'm going to be telling you some of the things that you are going to be doing after which you have used this, okay. Now after putting the baking soda, what you do is to stir it this way. Now when you stir it this way, the foaminess of the baking soda and the lemon is gonna begin to go down like this, and that's when you're going to begin to see the the treatment appear just like this. Okay, so this is actually a fine prepared treatment. Now for you to get your results quickly and effectively, you'd have to use this at least once in a day, okay, once in a day for at least 3 weeks, okay, to see a whole lot of change on your skin. If you like, you can actually apply, you can equally put in a little oil like olive oil or coconut oil to this, but do not put too much of coconut oil, because when you put too much of coconut oil, it's going to make your skin actually, I mean, it's going to make your hands look darker. Just a little bit of coconut oil so that it can actually help to moisturize. So after doing that, now you use this and then you apply it onto your wrinkled hand or rough hands or aged hands or discolorated hand. Okay, if your hands are actually looking discolorated, like the color is actually not the same, this is a very perfect ingredient, a very perfect treatment that would actually help you to make your hands look glowing. Now what you need is that when you're applying it at the back of your hands, equally remember to apply it on your palm. Now the reason why you apply it on your palm is so that your palm would get softer. Even if it's soft, your palm will get softer, okay, because you need your whole body, you need your palm, you need your skin to be very soft, okay, so that it's going to be very, you know, cool and attractive for anybody to want to touch, you know. Not anybody though, okay, I'm just kidding. All right, so after which you've applied this, then what you do next is that you're going to rub your hands on each other like this in a circular motion, and then you would have to scrub. For this particular treatment, guys, you have to scrub. Look at how it is, okay, you have to scrub it. Now when you're scrubbing this, remember to do that gently, oh, gently. Don't do it as if you are so angry with your hands. Yeah, even if you're angry with the hands, just calm down. At least when you actually do this for some time, you're gonna see a whole lot of results. Okay, some of the frequent questions that people ask me is, what should I use in washing it off? You use normal water, like room temperature water, and then you use toilet soap to wash it off, and after which you use toilet soap. After which you use toilet soap, then you can use any moisturizing cream to actually follow it up. Yeah, don't use any cream that is going to actually make your skin look dry and all of that. Yeah, okay, so for this particular ingredient, you can store it, just put it in an airtight container, maybe in a container like this, okay, and then you store it inside of your toilet, and it's not going to go bad at all. It's not going to go bad for at least those number of days. When it finishes, you can make a new one, and then every morning before you take your bath, you apply this, scrub your hands a whole lot. Trust me, guys, you're going to see the result. The result is going to be very, very visible, and you're going to actually love it, okay, because it's going to help you, you know, make your skin, make your hands literally look young. Now, well, for this particular one, if you have any discoloration on your skin, on any part of your body, you can equally use this and scrub it all out, and it's gonna help you glow a whole lot. It's gonna help your skin look rejuvenated, and it's going to help your skin boom up so much. So it's something you can equally use on your face, on your neck, and on your body, literally. So you can store it for at least 2 weeks, and then you make a new one when it finishes. So go give this a try and make sure to apply it every day for an effective result. Beverly, I'm the only one. Guys, guys, after which you've actually, you know, rub this, you know, you're going to, the very first thing you're going to notice is that you're going to notice that your hand is going to be really, really soft. Your palm is going to get softer. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel, thumbs up the video, and please share this video, and use this for as much and as long as possible. Okay, it's actually just an everyday remedy that doesn't just go bad, you know, and you're going to see the result. Guys, my hands is actually soft. Like, this is literally some of the things that I use on my skin that you would be asking, oh, what did you use? Your skin is flawless. Man, go use this. It is very natural, no side effects at all, and there are things that are affordable. There are things that you can actually get in your kitchen, literally. Thumbs up and like the video.